YouTube, what's going on? This is your boy DbKicks, so we're back with another video. Today we got a triple unboxing from Adidas. But before we get into that, if you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit that notification bell so you know when your boy's dropping some heat, man. Cause we about to drop some heat right now. So I have the lovely Miss Lynn right here. We gotta get her like I'm DbKicks. We gotta get her like a
wifey.
Like a cool name.
No.
No? Okay.
No, it's about you.
Alright, so yeah. Anyway, so I have 3 pairs from the Ivy Park collection. These are not personal shoes. I'm not gonna lie, I purely bought these because I was like, I can probably make a few dollars on these. I'm just keeping it real. We're gonna unbox them, and since it is 3 shoes, I'm not gonna review them tonight. I'll do 3 separate reviews, and that takes forever. So yeah, that's definitely not happening right now. So maybe right after the unboxing I'll drop more. But anyway, so we'll start with the first pair. Right after, I don't know which one's which either, so I'm just gonna unbox them. And I got various sizes, by the way.
We actually didn't even need a box for it.
Yeah, so
shout out to Adidas.
Yeah, I like this box, but this is like the box that S&S uses.
Really?
S&S
I like
used to use because it came from overseas. But the thing is, I don't think I could reuse this. Let's go ahead and I wanted to get a female perspective as well on this, of course, because it is Beyonce. But one thing I did not know is that this is actually a unisex collection. If you paid attention to the people that were modeling it, it was males and females, and the sizing is men's sizing. So I didn't even know that. So I could have got all these in my size and be like, all right, cool. But it's a Beyonce collection. I'm not, I don't have to have it at all.
This is the night jogger.
So this is the night jogger.
The maroon colorway.
So yeah, this is the maroon one. Size. This is what, size 9. I did not get the white platform looking shoe because I just felt like I honestly no. Why didn't I get it? Oh, I didn't know it existed. I didn't know it existed.
These boxes. Okay, can we talk about Adidas boxes first and foremost?
They feel like they're gonna.
They're so flimsy.
Yeah, they're.
Ooh.
Alright, so first impression. Damn, the insole.
Love the colors. I love the
first impression, the colorway is amazing. I like this color. Burgundy and orange. You guys a closer look. That's cool. I like this Ivy tag park on the back. It's like, it reminds me of the Galaxy pack from back in the day. Remove before flight.
Yeah. Yeah,
this is cool. The night jogger is a good shoe in general. I have a pair. So I do like them. They are comfortable. I'm not a fan of this though.
Me neither.
I don't know much about this shoe at all, but when I review it, I'll go more in depth with it.
What were you thinking? The tongue sticking out?
Yeah, but okay,
no,
so
yeah.
Alright, that looks a little bit better. It's got a different lacing system from the original pairs.
I like this part right here, whatever this is. The lacing, like how the laces come coil in the back.
I don't know if this is functional. I don't know if you pull it and it pulls the entire lacing system together.
I doubt it.
But that would be cool, but but I guess not.
Well, I guess it can't because these aren't connected.
Oh, okay, so it's just an aesthetic thing?
No, yeah, it's just aesthetic. This is the lacing system here. The orange. We'll get to
Alright, so yeah, we'll... Ooh. Okay. Alright, Beyonce.
I like the bottom of that already. This is nice.
Man, these have a way stronger smell than the usual Ultra Boosts, doesn't it? Alright, so these are sick.
Yeah.
I would 100% rock these. I like how they hit us with the laces are 3M, and I like this lace lock system on Ultra Boost. It looks really good.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Does that one have a tag on? Oh yeah, you get a tag on that too? Show the people the tag. You get an orange tag on that one. The orange on the bottom like just pops like crazy. Look at that. If you guys don't know, Ultra Boost do run a half size small. Some people go true. I go true, but most people go a half size up. Adidas sizing, unfortunately, when it comes to Adidas sizing, they are always all over the place. So I have, I think, 3 different sizes for Adidas. Alright, so this is Alright, so this is the cream night jogger. There we go. These are dope too. These are fire too. This is a very nice colorway. I like this colorway more than the burgundy and orange.
It's more wearable.
For me.
I like them both, but this one I could wear more.
These are sick. These are sick, yo. With the green pants.
And I like the gray.
Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. Ivy Park on y'all boys and girls. What do you think? You like these?
Mm-hmm.
Please don't wear this on your shoe, alright? Please. That's just... You know what? You can do what you want to do. That's just my pet peeve. I don't like wearing tags on...
If I see people wearing this and it's dragging...
See, the Galaxy one...
Like, how else would you wear it, though, other than it being...
The Galaxy, remember the remove for flight? People did that pretty cold, though. I even did it. I ain't gonna lie. I did it when I was young.
Yeah, you weave it through.
But you can weave it through, and it just like... This doesn't work, but you used to be able to weave the Galaxy stuff through, and it said remove before flight under the laces. Oh, it was cold.
You know people are gonna do that.
So it was 2 night joggers, 1 shoe that was a platform, and an Ultra Boost. So,
which I wish we grabbed the platform, because that's a real good staple. I feel like in that.
It is. I think that was the one that
sold out the quickest.
Yeah, like I said, I didn't even know. I didn't know it existed. Like I had never seen it.
You know, women are gonna be into that platform type of. Not my thing.
Ivy Park is Beyonce's. I had to ask my sister. Ivy Park, that's Beyonce's like athletic line or something like that. Alright, so out of all 3 that I picked up, which one is my favorite for me? If I had to wear one, I am going with the Ultra Boost because I feel like this is just too, I don't know, the lacing system, I don't know, it screams like feminine. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, maybe not. Definitely not this one. Like I can't. I
think it's got too much details for you.
Yeah, too many details.
Fine details.
I like the Ivy Park. Oh, that's dope. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
The Ultra Boost is out of the whole pack. The Ultra Boost is my favorite. These are just sick. Like with some nice joggers or something, like some olive joggers and just a burgundy shirt, a burgundy hoodie. These are crazy. What about you? What's your favorite? The platform?
Mm-mm.
No,
that's not my style.
The white night jogger.
I like this one. I'm not really a fan of like white based colored shoes either, but this is just too much for me. I won't be able to wear it all the time, you know.
And I like the thick cuts of like suede. Like they use good
I like the grays.
materials.
I like the grays on this.
The quality on all 3 of these are good. Like she did Beyonce. She did her thing, man. I don't know. The more I look at that, maybe I could pull it off. The Ultra Boost is sick, man. Like with the 3M lacing on it, it's just dope. So, fellas, all the fellas watching this, man, if y'all did want to cop one, I go with this, but I'm good on that. So, there you guys have it. That is the unboxing for the Ivy Park Beyonce collection. Let me know what you guys think. Y'all want to see more collaborative efforts? You guys want to see more women involved videos, women's sneaker videos? I think I've done like maybe 1 or 2 women's videos because I do have a small percentage of females that do watch the channel. So this one was for y'all, man. But your boy ain't keeping these. So I don't know. If you guys are interested, if you guys want, not this pair, but if you guys want either the 2 pair, you know, just hey, hit me up. I'm not gonna tax like no crazy price or nothing. I think the Ultra Boost is a men's 8.5. And the night jogger is a men's 9, so that's a women's 10. It might say it on here, I don't know, but you guys can look it up on Adidas website because that's the only way I was able to figure it out.
So there was these 3. Was there another Ultra Boost?
No, there's the platform.
So it's just those 4.
Oh, a bunch of clothes.
And I was gonna say the clothing was good.
The clothing was good.
Clothing was really nice.
I feel like
I don't wear Ivy Park though. I don't. That's just not
kind of going off
taste.
on a tangent now, but I feel like Adidas is gonna have a pretty good year.
Oh yeah.
Because they got Beyonce. They're supposed to do a Sean Witherspoon collab. Who else we got with Adidas? And of course Kanye. Kanye got his own Yeezy line. So Adidas is gonna have a very strong year. So for them to start the year off with this, and I think the entire thing sold out. I haven't checked, but I know I get tweets and stuff saying that particular items are back, and then, you know, for a limited time or whatever, but this pack did its thing. Alright, so that is about it, or that is it. So thank you guys for watching. It's greatly appreciated. We're working, grinding every single day, man, and we are out of here. Oh, gang. Remember people used to do pictures like this?
Yep.
Like people used to do the most for sneaker pictures.